everyone. So I just finished grading your observation assignment, and I don't get to leave as robust a feedback on those assignments as I would really love to. I didn't know if you realized, but there was 104 of you guys in this class. So in order to get through them as quickly as possible, I'm not able to give feedback back on every little item and unfortunately default to just the things that were wrong or the things that need an improvement. I hate doing this. I really wish that I could compliment and tell you guys what wonderful jobs you do as well. But if you are concerned about why you lost points, the typical reason that students lost points on this assignment was not making that connection between the module information and the observations that you made. You didn't have to go back through the modules and comb through information and apply it to your observation, and you probably ended up losing some points on that because that's really what the assignment was about. If you have looked at the feedback that I did give on the assignment, and then any of the comments, and you're still confused about why you got the grade you got, please send me an inbox message and I can take a look at it. I will be working tomorrow. My family knows this. It's the Sunday before grades are due, so tomorrow is going to be a work day for me. So you can expect to see me online. I am trying to get grading done, so I might not respond back right away just in order to get stuff done. But make sure to look at that feedback right away so we can figure out if I missed something or maybe didn't see one of your submissions. And then if you think that you would like to be able to improve your grade, if it's a significant improvement, now if you already got an A on it, I'm probably not going to let you resubmit it. But if you know what you did wrong and really want to go from a C and improve that or even a D, then definitely send me an inbox message and we can see what we